Hello, my beautiful lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. This is Hillary with Hillary's Happy Nails, and today we are playing with Shemodern again. This polish was the stamping polish was so amazing to work with, and I reached out to them again this month to see if I could try out another one of their products and give away another one of their products, and they happily said yes and sent them to me. So this month we are reviewing their white to gray opaque stamping, color changing, air dry sticky stamping polish, and their metallic green rainbow glitter. And that is just absolutely stunning. So we're gonna play around. Like I did in my last video, prepped some nails already. So we've got 2 white and 2 black. And I have my handy dandy little glitter catcher here and a brush, because I realized last time I didn't brush all the extra glitter off. And I think that'll help us to see the design a little bit better. So we've got that. And then of course my stamper and my scraper card. We've got our acetone and some cotton wipes to clean off our mess. So I thought, I know it's going to be hard to see the white over the white, of course, but I will do a swatch stick so that we can see the color change at the end. Okay, so we will get started. I'll move some of this extra stuff out of the way and grab the nail that I want to use. We're going to do 2 stamps on each nail, or 1 stamp on each nail. And I'm going to do, let's see if I can zoom in here for you. There we go. I'm going to do these Christmas trees right here for the green rainbow glitter. I think that's going to work really nicely. So just paint that on nice and thick. Give it a good scrape. Pick that up with my stamper card, and that was a beautiful pickup. And we're just going to stamp this. I'm not going to clean up all the extra because I'm not going to get that on there. There we got a great stamp with those Christmas trees. So now you can see the gray over the white. We're going to clean off our stamper and our stamping plate. So once again, this polish I'm finding has a beautiful, nice, thick, rich consistency, perfect for stamping, very nice and opaque. And we'll stamp the Christmas trees once again. There we are. It stamps beautifully. And then while this one is still damp, or not damp, but sticky, we're going to take this and put the green glitter over it. And now I'm going to take the brush to brush off what we don't need. And look at that. That is absolutely stunning. That green glitter on there just really makes it pop. Wow. Okay, so now we've got both of the white nails done, so you can see the difference with the gray over the white and then the green glitter over top. And now we'll do that with the black nails so you can see the same. Glitter, glitter everywhere. And one more time. And we've got our black nail this time. And the gray is definitely going to show up beautifully over that. Perfect. And once more, we'll clean this off and we'll do the other black nail and put the green glitter on the black nail. So if you'd like to be entered into the contest to win this gray to white stamping polish and green metallic glitter, all you have to do is comment Christmas in the comments. All right, and now we're gonna put our green glitter on this one so we can see what it looks like. Wow. Oh, let me clean my finger off here so we can really get into how stunning that is. Wow. So that is the black with the gray stamping polish and the black with the glitter. So you can see what they both look like. And now I'm going to get 2 cups of water so we can dip our polish in the water and see it change color. So give me just a minute and I'll be right back. Alrighty, and we're back. I have some warm water and some cold water. Hopefully this is dry enough. I don't know if I should zoom you in or not, but okay, so this is the warm water. And you can instantaneously see it turns perfectly white. And if we put it back into the cold water, it immediately turned gray. So perfect. So you can definitely see that transition. So that's so fun. So this is a gray to white, hot to cold, temperature changing stamping polish, and the green metallic rainbow glitter that you'll be getting from me. So remember the keyword, enter it in the comments, and make sure, if you haven't already, to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.